Yes, hello. In today's video, I'll be showing you an easier strategy to analyze and win straight matches, 2024-2025 football prediction and beyond. Yeah, so the how to predict or how to analyze football straight win matches in 2024 and 2025 beyond. I share the tips of strategy. Now, the first thing you need to do here, we are going to be using a website called Soccer 24, right? Yes, we are going to be using it for analysis. We'll be using two, right? The first one is that, and then the second one is Flash Score. Okay, the second one is Flash Score. Yes, so we'll be using these two websites to predict our game or do the analysis. Now, I share one of my top strategy for analyzing for straight win matches when making football predictions by using this simple strategy. I walk you through the step-by-step process and how to tell if a team is likely to win and pick the right matches to maximize your chance of winning. You will learn how to use live score apps to find reliable odds, how to carry out head-to-head analysis, and how to specialize the prediction process for you using just match odd without having any analysis matches. Yeah, so that is the two tricks that I'm going to be sharing with you in this particular video. So the first one is probably using odds, and then the second one is using the analysis. Now we'll be starting with analysis first before diving into the odds. Now we'll be using the odds. When it comes to odds selection, we'll be using the Soccer 24 website, and when it comes to analysis, we'll be using the Flash Score. I hope you now get the point where we are using these two websites. All right, so let's pick a random game from La Liga. Okay, let's pick a random game from La Liga or Premier League, any of them, right? What match is available for today? All right, so here we go. Let's pick Bournemouth versus Newcastle. Okay, yeah, so we all know we are picking Bournemouth versus Newcastle, and then when it comes to here also we look for the same game. EPO. Then we go for Bournemouth versus Newcastle. The same thing here. The same thing here. Now, when it comes to analysis, when it comes to sorry guys, when it comes to analysis, the first thing to check is the standing of the teams. Okay, the first thing to check is the standing of the teams. Now, Newcastle is at the 8th position on the table, well, Bournemouth is at 11, right? We are looking at analysis right here. Newcastle at 8th, and then Bournemouth at 11th position. And the next thing you should also check is their head to head for the past 5 matches they played, and also the year that they've played the matches. So last 5 matches they met in 2022 two times. Newcastle won and then they played draw. In 2023 they played one draw and Bournemouth won. And in 2024 the first one also ended in draw. So these people are playing in history. So any team at home after draw won the game. So Bournemouth is at home. So are we expecting Bournemouth to win? Yes, that is what we count analysis. Okay. Now we should also predict goals. The first one was draw 1-1, then Bournemouth won, and then Newcastle won with 1-0. Third game was 1-1, and then the next one Bournemouth won with 2-0. Now they've played 2-2, so don't know what to pick from there yet. Now let's go to here when we talk about odds, right? When we talk about odds in predictions, when we talk about odds in prediction, right here Bournemouth has 3 plus odds, and then Newcastle had 2 plus odd. Now, one thing about odds is odds talk about the future, where analysis talk about the past, because the analysis was picked from their previous winning, right? Analysis was picked from their previous winning, and when it comes to the odds, it talks about what odds talk about the future. Okay, now let me go to Sportybet app as a booker, and let me show you the odds available there. Good. Now once you've logged in into the account, now let's take a look at the odds of that particular game we are looking for, right? So let's go to football. Then we are talking about Newcastle versus Bournemouth, and here is the game. Now looking at the odd, I can see home team here has 3 plus odd and away team has 3 plus odd. So if you are someone who bets based on odds, I know definitely you'll be going for away. Now if you are someone who bets with analysis, you are going to be betting on win or draw, or probably not win or draw. Sorry guys. You will be betting on home or away team to win based on the past histories, because if you go to statistics for this match right here, if you click on their statistics, the head sorry standing, I've already shown you that the lineup. Then I wanted to see the head-to-head prediction right here. Alright, so this is the head-to-head. This is the head-to-head. This is what I'm talking about. You can see the head-to-head right here. If you take a look at it, you realize that how they are performing. Last previous matches, home win 3, and then away actually won with all. So looking at all that, now this is the bookings and everything. You can see how it look like, right? You see how it look like. You see how it look like now. So someone betting with odds will go for this, while someone betting with analysis will go for away or home, because if you check last 5 matches, last five last five match for me. Let me just go here and copy the name. Easy for me. Okay, for this, if you click on that, the last five matches for them, you can see how they've played, right? Show more. Let me click on show more. So in the entire history, that is how they played. But for the past five matches, the first one starts from here, 2022, 2022, where they played 1-1, followed by home team winning 1-0. They play 1-1 again, followed by the home team winning. Now they've played 2-2. What should be the expect? We don't know which of them is actually going to win. So if you are playing or you are predicting based on analysis, you are going to be picking away team or home team to win, because definitely one of them is going to win. But if you are playing based on odds, it is mostly likely for you to pick away team for you to pick the away team to win directly if you are playing by the odd. So this is how simple it is. Now the step 2 of this is whether you are to football betting looking for refine your strategy. This video offers valuable insight into creating a winning ticket, right? So to create a winning ticket, stick around and enjoy these tips on how to spot bet matches, understanding the concept of head-to-head analysis, and give how to join exclusive games that will give you that. Alright, so for everything that we've understand here, based on analysis, if you are someone that bet with analysis, go for away or home. But if you are someone that bet with odd, you have a higher odds of picking Newcastle to win against Bournemouth, right? Yes, checking out the statistics here. Newcastle won again, draw, won again. Then they played draw. Bournemouth came ahead and win the game. And if you check the statistics of this, so the last ball they played, Bournemouth played 63, while Newcastle played 30, 34%, right? That is it. And total shoot, you can see Bournemouth give more shoot, and then shoot on goals. You can see shoot off goals, shoot block, goalkeeper save, foul, yellow card, red leaf card, and everything. And corner is also given. If you see, they have played 8 corner. That is approximately 7.5 corner kick, offside, throw in. Throw in has been around over something very big. So team to win, best chance 74, and then blah 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 blah. Now people voted Newcastle to win, draw 36, and Bournemouth 9%. That is how people voted for it. That is how people voted for it. Yes, so that is it. Head to head, 3 draw, 1 win in their last 5 matches. Goals 6, and these people had 5. So that is it. And some people also comment here, I give out my game for free. Yes, sir. But there is something you should also understand. Okay, the first thing you should understand is that player transfer also affects the team, right? Player transfer also affects the team. So if you have player transfer, note it is going to affect your team more in performance because the one that you buy and the one that you sell, they all have different strategies. So this is how to predict. I don't know if I've come to the end point of this particular video. I don't know if I've come to the end point of this particular video, but that is it. For sports bettors who use odds, they pick the small odds, and for analysis, they look for the higher chance of winning. That is the trick. So if you wanted to go with odds, look for good odds, and if you wanted to go with tricks or go with the analysis, look for these four things that I've mentioned. Yes, look for these four things that I've mentioned. The first one is the standing, how they are standing. The second one is their head to heads, how many times they have met. And the fourth one should be, the third one should be their lineup. And then the fourth one, which is the most important one, is the player transfer, to know if their squad that they have been using is the same or they have changed players. If they change players, make sure you also change tactics. Yeah, so that is that for today. See you all in my next video. Yes, today exactly 9 we will be coming live for the EPL predict, and see you all in my next show.